Hey guys, it's me Rahul, and today in this short video I will show you guys how to hide desktop icons from your desktop in Windows. So it is pretty simple. All you have to do is just right click on your desktop, then go to view and click on show desktop icons. And all your desktop icons have disappeared. So if you want to revert it back, just right click, do exactly the same, go to view, then click on show desktop icons once more to revert it back to the normal state. So let's say you don't want to hide every icon, you want to hide some Windows default icons like recycle bin, my computer and those kind of things, right? So for that, what you need to do is right click, then go to personalize, then you have to click on themes, then from there go to desktop icon settings, then here you just uncheck recycle bin or whichever you want to hide it from the desktop. Then click on apply and then click on OK. Then tada, the recycle bin icon has been disappeared from desktop. That's it. Hope you guys liked this video. Goodbye.